Attention is all you need. Part 9, Conclusion. The revolution begins. We've now reached the end of the paper. In the conclusion, the authors restate their core contribution in one sentence. They presented the transformer, the first sequence transduction model built entirely on attention, replacing the recurrent layers used in encoder-decoder systems with multi-headed self-attention. That's the headline. Attention is not a helper module anymore, it is the architecture. Next, they underline the practical win. For translation tasks, they say the transformer can be trained significantly faster than systems based on recurrent or convolutional layers, and they back that up with results. On the WMT 2014 English to German and English to French translation tasks, they achieved state-of-the-art performance. And on the English to German task, their best model outperforms all previously reported ensembles. That detail matters. Ensembles combine multiple models to boost accuracy. Beating them with a single model signals real architectural leverage, not just engineering tricks. Then the conclusion shifts from what they did to what they plan to do next. First, they say they're excited about attention-based models and plan to apply them to other tasks. Second, they explicitly call out other modalities beyond text: images, audio, and video. The idea is simple. These can be treated as sequences too, so attention should transfer. Third, they highlight the scaling challenge. Full self-attention is expensive for very large inputs, so they want to investigate local or restricted attention mechanisms that can handle long sequences efficiently. And fourth, they name another open problem: making generation less sequential. Even with an attention-based model, decoding still happens step by step, so reducing that sequential bottleneck is a clear research target. Finally, they point to their implementation, made available via tensor-to-tensor, so others can reproduce and build on the work. That's it. The conclusion itself is short, but it's a clean statement of what makes this paper different. A new architecture, faster training, state-of-the-art results, and a roadmap for where attention-based modeling could go next. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. You now understand what the transformer is, why it mattered, and why it became the foundation for modern sequence modeling. If this breakdown helped, please like, subscribe, and check out other playlists. And if there's a paper you want covered in this same deep dive format, drop it in the comments. I'm taking requests.